Hi everyone, this is Bizzi Art and I'll show you how to make a pinwheel spinner in this video. I'll start off by folding my paper in half. I'll do this lengthways and on the diagonals as well. Once I've done that, I'll take the upper and lower edges and fold these towards the middle crease. Rotate the paper and use the short edges to fold towards the middle. Now I'll pull out the corners from underneath, making those points of the pinwheel. Fold over two of the pinwheel points. Fold the edge over towards the middle like so, and repeat these on the other edges. So once you've done that, the next step is to pinch each corner of the pinwheel. This will make it more three-dimensional. Ta-da! Now to make it spin, all you have to do is blow over the top of it. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.